Okay, recently, the Nothing CMF Phone 1 was launched and it was a big hit. It has been 1 year since the Phone 2 from Nothing was out. I was honestly not expecting another phone from Nothing, but now Nothing is stepping up with the Phone 2A Plus. First, I thought, oh, it probably will have just the glowing back cover, but that isn't the case. For starters, it has a processor upgrade. Well, Phone 2A is powered by the Dimensity 7200 Pro, but the 2A Plus will be powered by the Dimensity 7350 Pro. The main difference is the clock speeds of the performance cores. Dimensity 7350 Pro is clocked 200 MHz higher than the 7200 Pro, both manufactured on TSMC's second generation 4nm process and are octa-core processors. But the twist is the Dimensity 7350 Pro is made in collaboration with Nothing. So you can expect some really good tuning of Nothing OS with this chip, better optimization and even better power efficiency. Nothing already claims their Phone 2A Plus to be 10% faster than the 2A with the 8-core processor, clocking up to 3 GHz. It also has the Mali MC4 GPU, which runs up to 1.3 GHz, making it 30% speedier at tearing through complex graphics and number crunching. GSM Arena claims the selfie camera will get an upgrade to the 50 megapixel sensor from the 32 megapixel, and it was even confirmed by Nothing through a post on Instagram, but due to some reason I checked it again, it's not there. But I'm pretty sure I saw one somewhere. But anyway, people commented over there that this camera would be even better than some of the flagships they have launched. But again, don't fall for the megapixel trap. So yeah. You can even expect 4K recording in the front camera. You will get the same options in RAM, that is 8 or 12 GBs of RAM, with inbuilt RAM expansion up to 8 or more GBs. And only one storage option is there, that is 256 GB. Now, the RAM part is mostly confirmed by Nothing, so we have some pictures they again posted on Instagram. This launch, however, does not feel like the CMF Phone 1. They were literally stating one feature of the phone every day. So over the 9 days, they built up the entire specification of the phone in a very unique way. But that isn't the case of the Phone 2A Plus. The RAM may be LPDDR5 with UFS 2.2 or more, probably UFS 3.1 storage. This phone is meant to cover the price gap of 25,000 to 30,000 because Nothing has launched phones in almost every price segment except for this one. The CMF Phone 1 covers the budget, then the Nothing Phone 2A, and then the Phone 2. Hence, the 2A Plus will sit right between the Phone 2A and Phone 2. I love how good the naming scheme is with these phones, very simple and understandable. But please don't take the path of most of the Chinese brands who launch as many phones as possible in a year. The entire user experience becomes very mediocre over time. The expected battery capacity is 5000 mAh. There is no plus on that. It is the same as in the Phone 2A. 6.7 inch of AMOLED display, 10-bit and yes, flexible, so you get that consistency in bezels. The same 120Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness of 1300 nits. And the maximum charging speed supported would now be 50 watts. The Phone 2A had support for 45 watts, so I don't really know if the 5 watt would make much of a difference in real life. So yeah. But one fact is definitely confirmed, that there won't be charger in box because Nothing in none of their smartphones they provide a charger. Okay, so that is all for this video. It was a short one covering all the recent leaks related to this phone, and it will be released tomorrow, so stay tuned and let's keep our fingers crossed. Also comment if you are thinking of buying this.